Welcome friends of this recap of a well being put into the big flat area on the Kieran's ranch. We start our journey with the half-buried water tank. And here it is, completely buried and fenced off so no livestock get in the way. The well has been drilled, the solar panels installed to run the pump to pump the water up to the tank. Here it is completed and fenced off. Here is the empty water trough. Now always full of fresh well water so the animals can have a drink anytime they want to. On the other side of the hill from where the tank is buried, here's a second tire that's being filled. This is Mike explaining to me about the float valve and the overflow and the ramps on the third tire that's being filled from the same tank. The ramps on either side are so that if small animals fall in the water, they can just climb up the ramp and get out. When the round thing with the chain goes down, it opens up a valve and fills up the tire. These tires are massive. Just look at the thickness of these tires, and these are at the end of their life. Thanks for watching this recap with me. I hope you enjoyed it.